Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Now I am telling you how to add one more mango, one more object in the first object. Let's suppose this is our first subject. Now I want to add one more mango. Like in first object I am adding the second object. Let me open the object. Here is the mango. I copy it, paste into this photo. Okay, this is the mango. Now I used Ctrl T, transform tool, and I reduce the size like this. Look at this. This is the size reducing I am. Okay, alright. Here is the mango. You can use anywhere. Move here. Take a copy. Reduce the size. Put there. Okay. And this mango we can put on the table like this. Front of the box. You can move it. Look at this. I am using Control plus button. Look at this. You understand? I am using delay style. Yes, it's okay, enough. This one soft light. Okay, that's fine. Now I am adding one more layer to show you something in the same object. Control Shift and I take a layer. I put a shape there. Let me show you shape. For example, this is the shape. Let's suppose I create this photo. I create this like the heart, sweetheart. Okay, this is the sweetheart. Now I select the object and create one layer already there. Let me fill up the color. The color I can use the black, no problem, does not matter. Now here is the black color. You can see easily this object, this layer is the black color layer. Now I am copying this image from the Google, trying to put inside. I put it. Alright. Now I press Control Alt. On the keyboard I press Control Alt and move there with the image. Okay, you see it. Otherwise you can do this, merge visible, this one the merge down. Okay, now it is time to create small. Let me show you. Here is our mango. Yeah, this is the mango shape. Because the color is black under it, I can use the color. This is the color now. You can see it. Enough. Now it is time to say you goodbye. You can use this tutorial for copy the object in the first object, and then you can use how does it works, the merging style. Look at this. This will not go outside of this. Thank you. Bye.